Valparai is a hill station in Tamil Nadu known for its high altitude tea and coffee plantations. There are many accommodation options here which are more of resorts and homestays with some quality South Indian food. This ride through mountain-like spreaded tea plantations is one of the unique experiences from the southern state of India. From the early 19th century, there are tea plantations established here. One of it is Sholaya Tea Estates. Chinnakalar is one of the places in Valparai which receives highest rainfall in Tamil Nadu and third wettest place in India. After exploring a day in Valparai, I continued my ride to Munnar. En route Munnar, with a deviation of 20 kilometers, we have this amazing adventure resort, Camp Splendor, on the banks of Tirumuti Dam. With Tirumuti Hills in the backdrop, this place is one of the beautiful locations for adventure seekers. After a ride of 5 hours, I reached Ernakulam National Park in Munnar. By then, I could feel the vibes of Kerala, the God's own country. With Munnar being the most touristic hill stations of Kerala, I decided to stay somewhere offbeat and reached my hotel in Chittipuram, which is 13 kilometers from Munnar.